Hey, welcome back to the Schmitters 100 Acre Woods. I'm here today with just the otter. Mainly going around just getting some GPS stuff done. Been a while since we've updated any of the paths, so we're working on getting that updated. So have the otter, the basket in the back, and riding around just getting those points collected. So we got all that so that we have an updated map. So in a previous video, I went through and described the map, so I'll probably do an updated one with the new points collected. And the other thing that we've already done that we are working on today is getting the prep work ready for the picnic area. So as you can see, hopefully the white post, I marked them with white, so I have a 24 by 12 things set up here. So they have posts, the four corners, and those are where sonotubes are going to go, so that we can pour concrete down into the tubes and then build a picnic shelter on top of that. So have this kind of preliminarily laid out, and then within the next couple weeks probably come back and get these holes dug so we can put the sonotubes in with Quikrete. Okay, here's a quick time lapse of doing the layout for the picnic shelter. So we kind of got one point and just kind of seeing how big we want to make it. So I think we're going to go 20 by 12 on this as well. So we got one point set, and then just drawing a rectangle here to make sure that everything's even. Just kind of getting it set up, trying to kind of just visualize what it would look like and make sure that we're far enough away from the pond on the left side that you can get like a mower and everything by. Here we're just doing a test pilot hole to see how hard the ground is and how deep we can go, so trying to determine whether we want to dig this by hand or use another piece of equipment. So here we were digging in a stump hole, so it's pretty soft and then gets really hard toward the bottom. And then just put some blue covers on those so you can see them. Yeah, the next thing we worked on was some GPS. So basically here what you see is we created a stand that the GPS unit goes on top of, and made the stand so it would hold this laptop. So basically you go around to every point we want to collect. We have some attributes set up, so we put in the location and some other key information depending on the type of point that we collect, and then it averages about 20 points and then collects that and saves it on the map. So we did the initial pass just by walking, the ones up front, but here this is the south trail, so because it's pretty long we went ahead and put a basket that was made to go in a hitch receiver. Put that on the back of the otter and drove around and just collected several points along there. Had to collect any points where there's curves, kind of get those, and then basically connect the dots to create the line file after you collect all the point files. And then this is just kind of a view of doing the path back around to the food plot. So again, you can see the GPS receiver there on top, and then just have a stand made so that the laptop is sit on there so you can type in the information while it collects points. To average points, it takes about a minute or so. So you have to stand at each point so it can collect those and average it to a single point. Again, the software we're using is ArcPad, so it's an Esri program, and that's what we've been utilizing for the map. And I'll do an updated video of showing the finished map once we get all these points loaded back into it. Thank you for watching the Schmitters 100 Acre Woods. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.